All right, check this out. All right, check this out. MIT scientists just dropped a game changer for anyone who cares about what goes into our food. Imagine if we could deliver vitamins, minerals, medicines directly into plant stems. No more spraying chemicals everywhere and hoping for the best. That's exactly what's happening in a lab in Massachusetts, and it all starts with silk. Yeah, silk. Not the fancy kind in your closet, but a natural protein that's tough, yet biodegradable. Associate Professor Benedetto Marelli and his team at MIT have figured out how to turn silk into tiny hollow microneedles. These things are so small you could fit hundreds on a patch, and they're strong enough to punch through a tomato stem without leaving a trace. How do they make them? Here's the cool part. Pour a salty silk solution into cone-shaped molds. Let it dry, wash away the salt. What's left are hollow needles, perfect for holding nutrients. And you don't need a high-tech lab. One researcher joked you could do this in your kitchen. So, why does this matter? Well, traditional farm chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, are kind of like using a fire hose to water a single flower. Most of what's sprayed misses its target, floating off in the wind or soaking into soil where it can pollute water. Silk microneedles, on the other hand, stick right in the plant's vascular tissue. Every drop of nutrient or pesticide gets delivered exactly where it's needed. Less waste, less environmental mess. They tested this with tomatoes suffering from iron deficiency. Plants turning yellow, yields dropping by a third. When the team injected iron through the microneedles, the plants perked right up. The treatment lasted for days, and the stems looked totally healthy. That's efficient. But it doesn't stop at just fixing sick plants. The MIT crew went a step further. They loaded vitamin B12, a nutrient you don't usually find in plants, right into tomato stalks. After a while, that B12 actually made its way from the stem into the fruit. Imagine picking a tomato that's naturally packed with vitamins usually found in meat or dairy. For anyone on a plant-based diet, this could be huge. And it gets even cooler. These silk needles can also work in reverse. Instead of injecting, they can suck sap from the plant, giving scientists a real-time look at what's going on inside. In one experiment, they detected dangerous metals like cadmium in just minutes, way before the plant even showed signs of trouble. That could mean smarter, faster fixes for farmers and healthier food for everyone. Right now, it takes a grad student to press each patch onto a plant by hand, but Marelli's team is dreaming bigger. Imagine robots or drones stamping these onto entire orchards. It's still early days, but this silk microneedle tech could seriously change how we grow, monitor, and enrich our food. It's science, but simple, and it might just make your next salad a whole lot better for you and for the planet. Thanks for tuning in. If you love keeping up with the next big thing in science, hit that subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.